Jamaica New Year by Dr. Sharon Clarke. Dashing through the snow, merrily greeting people we don't even know. Many have traveled far away from home to grow, some moving fast, some going slow. But we never forget the black, yellow, and green. We smile and reminisce whenever it is seen. Black is the difficulties we faced. Yellow is the natural wealth of the island God hath placed. Green is the agriculture and hope. This new year we will do more than cope. Out of many, one people, the motto of the island with the most church steeple. We are praying this new year, O Lord, to you, that you will strengthen us and bring us through.